Welcome barbecue enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of drumstick delights, a recipe that transforms ordinary chicken into flavor-packed sensation. Imagine sinking your teeth into juicy drumsticks, kissed by the sweet taste of honey and the fiery kick of spice. Now fire up that grill. The secret isn't just in the cooking, but in taking the time to prepare and marinate your chicken. So grab those tongs and let's get ready to impress the crowd with these irresistible barbecue beauties.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I